Whatever you do, don't look them in the eyes. Look at that beautiful liquid gold. I'm gonna add the secret dust. It's still so sticky. She just ate it. Knead it like it just stole your favorite toy. Oh, did you hear that pop? Gum, 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 gum. Gummy Bears. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making slime with
Gummy Bears.
Gummy Bears. And our ingredients are going to be a big bag of Gummy Bears, some corn starch, vegetable oil, and we're going to just mix all this together. And guess what? It is edible. So you can eat as you make it, but we're not going to try to eat too much of it. So in order to make this, we separated out the colors so we have it. Hey, we have a big bag of red, but look at that green one. He snuck in there.
Let me get him out.
Get that green one out of there.
Yeah.
Get him out of there. Gum, 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 gum. Gummy Bears. So the reason why we separated these is because if we didn't, this would be a big poopy brown colored slime, which could be nice, but we separated these out. So we're going to mix these red ones up here, and we're going to make slime. You put them in a bowl, so we need a bowl.
I'll go get it.
Get a bowl. We have our bowl.
Yeah, we have our bowl.
And we have our
Gummy Bears.
Gummy Bears. So now we're going to take these, put them in the bowl. So we're going to dump these Gummy Bears in the bowl. Ooh, so satisfying. So look at those Gummy Bears. This is the sacrifice. The Gummy Bears are sacrificing themselves. We're going to send them to the microwave.
First, let's spread them out.
Just spread them out. All right, nice.
Flatten them a little bit.
So now we're going to send them to the
microwave.
And
no going back.
No going back. So let's go to the microwave.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. Can you reach up there? Oh, nice. She can reach. Very good. Can you put them in? All right. Let's do it together. There you go. You got it. You got it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Whatever you do, don't look them in the eyes. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Look at them go. Look at them go. After 30 seconds, they're not even close. We got to do another 30 seconds. Ooh, they're getting there.
A few moments later.
Ooh, look at that. They're ready. Make sure you use a hot pad. That is molten sugar right there. That is molten sugar. It's hot. Don't touch it. All right, so now you add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil so that just wash shine. And then you add a 1/4 cup, so 1/4, a 1/4 cup of corn starch. And then you fold it in. Start folding it in. Look at that beautiful liquid gold. It's hot and it's beautiful. And guess what? It's sticky. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir.
It's hard.
All right, you got to fold this in. You got to fold it in. You got to fold that corn starch in. Look how sticky that is.
It's even sticking to the bowl. That's so cool.
All right, keep folding it in. I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of corn starch. Here we go. Look at that right there. Ooh, this right here. I'm going to add the secret dust. Otherwise, your hands will be stuck together forever.
Really?
Yeah. Those Gummy Bears are so sticky. They're still so sticky. The corn starch is going to help it. It's basically like the activator. You see how sticky it's getting? It got everywhere. You got to be careful whenever you do this because I just splashed corn starch everywhere.
It's on my arm.
But look at this. It's getting clumpy. It's getting clumpy. And it's getting less sticky.
Our kitchen's going to be... Oh my...
Our kitchen is a mess. Mommy's not going to be happy. So now we have to let it sit for 5 minutes so it cools because that stuff is still super hot. So don't touch it. Let it sit for a minute and then you do the touch test to see if it's warm. It's still warm.
Watch this though.
So it's still sticky, so we need to add more corn starch. Yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to take it out of the bowl and we're going to put it on the countertop. And we're going to knead it on the countertop. Like we do dough. We're going to put our hands over. Yeah, you ready?
Set that timer for 5 minutes.
It's so hard to wait. All right, we're going to do the touch test. It's been about 5 minutes. Just poke your finger down in there. Make sure your hands are clean. Yep, yeah. It's kind of warm, but it's still, it's not boiling hot. So I think we're good. So what you want to do is you want to clean your countertop. And you want to put a little bit of cornstarch on the countertop, spread it around, so guess what? The slime doesn't stick to the countertop. Yeah, so get that, spread it around a little bit. There you go. Get it all over your hands. There you go. Nice little spread. The slime, look at this. Ah! All right, so we got it on the countertop here, and look at this. You put that cornstarch there and it keeps it from sticking, right? So, okay, so now we're gonna get this spoon out of here. Get out of there. All right, Taryn, do you mind putting that in that bowl? Thanks. She just ate it! Remember, this is edible slime, people.
I showed him that.
Right? So we're gonna add a drop of oil for that high def shine.
Then I should mix it.
Knead it. Knead it like a mad scientist. Knead it like you're mad at it. Knead it like it just stole your favorite toy. Knead, 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 knead. Look at that face. Knead, 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 knead. She's doing her best, and she's doing amazing. Look at this. There you go. You want to knead it till it's like Play-Doh. It's slime, but it kind of feels like Play-Doh too. So keep kneading until it's not sticky. Oh, did you hear that pop?
Pop, 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 pop.
Oh! Girl, you got that stuff everywhere. So now look at this. We have our gummy bear slime. Look at this stuff. Look at this slime. This is our gummy bear slime. Look, it was red, and now it's pink. All that cornstarch turned it pink. Look at your face. You got cornstarch all over your face. Nice, nice. All right, here's our slime. Let's see how far it stretches. Look at this. Ah, it's edible. Remember? Nice. Is it good slime? A little bit too much cornstarch, but it's not too stretchy, but man, it worked out. 2 thumbs up. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.